But today, they are the center of a billion-dollar industry, a trade that balances danger with extreme luxury.
They are the ultimate survivors, apex predators that have ruled these waters for 200 million years, living dinosaurs.
We aren't hunting the animal. We are hunting the future. The alligator egg.
Welcome to the Bayou. I'm Elias. Today, we are hunting for something more valuable than gold.
From the wild marshes to this high-tech facility, I'm gonna show you how we turn danger into designer goods.
But to get the prize, you have to face the mother. And she doesn't like visitors.
Let's head into the wild. The season is short. We only have a few weeks in summer to collect eggs from wild nests before the heat kills the embryos.
We spot the nests from the air. Each nest contains 30 to 50 eggs, but the female is always watching.
Here they are. Unlike bird eggs, these are hard and oblong, and they are extremely sensitive.
We mark the top of every egg. If you turn an alligator egg over, the embryo detaches and dies. Orientation is critical. We pack them in damp moss. We are simulating the nest environment for the transport back to the farm. It's hot, it's dangerous, and it's messy. But this bucket is worth thousands of dollars. Back at the farm, the real science begins. We have to clean off the swamp mud. Welcome to the incubator. It's like a sauna in here. High heat, high humidity.
We bury them in vermiculite. But here is the crazy part. We decide if they are boys or girls.
Alligators don't have sex chromosomes. The temperature of the nest determines the gender. It's called temperature-dependent sex determination.
Cooler temps produce females. Higher temps produce males. For farming, we want males.
Why males? Because they grow faster and bigger. Bigger skins mean more money.
We keep them here for about 65 days. It's a long wait. But silence is good.
Then, around day 65, the room starts to make noise. The eggs start barking.
The babies call out from inside the shell to signal they are ready. It triggers a mass hatching event.
They use a sharp egg tooth on their nose to slice the shell. And they come out biting.
Unlike ostriches, these guys are born aggressive. They are miniature predators from minute one.
Look at those stripes. That's camouflage for the wild. But here, they are safe.
We wash off the amniotic fluid and move them to the nursery pens. They need heat to digest food.
They have a metabolism like a furnace. We feed them a specialized high-protein diet to maximize growth.
Restaurants across the world buy this. It's a healthy, high-protein source. But the real money is the skin.
This is what the luxury world wants, the belly skin. It has no bones, unlike the back skin.
Look at that geometry, the famous tile pattern. This is the fingerprint of luxury.
We grade them strictly. If an alligator got into a fight and scratched its belly, the value drops by half.
The skins go to the tannery. They are chemically treated to turn them into soft, durable leather.
They are dyed into vibrant colors and polished with agate stones. This is the glazed finish you see in high-end stores.
A bag like this can sell for $50,000. It is the ultimate status symbol.
Boots, belts, watch straps. It is one of the most durable and beautiful leathers on earth. But it's not just about fashion. This industry actually saved the alligator. From the dangerous swamp to the fashion runway, it's a wild journey. By giving the animal economic value, we ensure their habitat is protected. It's conservation through commerce. I'm Elias. I'm Elias. Thanks for joining the hunt.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.